Okay. So, yes, this is going to be all by hand. Yeah. So for those questions here, you're simply adding like terms. It's just like 5 plus 2. Times the number times the letter, 16m squared. Expand the bracket. Look, expand bracket doing this, 4x minus 8y. Okay, so that's all you're simply doing. Factorizing equation, you simply divide it by the common factor. You take a common factor out. You do this. For the rest of these questions, for the rest of these questions here, all you need to remember is simply make sure you circle the like terms. All right, you circle the like terms as you do. So once you've circled the like terms, then you add up the actual one. These are probably easier to be done by hand than by calculator. You can still do it by calculator. This one here, multiplying multiplying the numbers multiply negative 15. Letters times letters, p times p squared is q cubed, q times itself is q squared. This one here, remember, expand the bracket, just draw like the claw method or something. So it's 9x plus 6. Now, this question, most of you got this wrong because you didn't put the negative sign into this. So it's minus 5 minus 15. That's where most people got wrong. So make sure. So this one here, I would actually want you to do it by calculator so you avoid this mistake. So 9x plus, 9x minus 5x, 4x, 6 minus 6, so minus 9. I mean, this can be done on CAS, nice and easily. This one here, take out a common factor. If you don't know what it is, do x first. So x, 2x minus 6. And then you can take out a 2. As you know, 2 and 6, same thing. 2 and 6, common factor is 2. So you basically have, wait, what happened here? Oh yeah, you put 2 out, you got x minus 3, very good. I mean, if you're doing this one here, you should be using your CAS calculator. Make sure you use a CAS calculator for the relevant ones. Here, I mean, there is no CAS shortcut other than using the CAS calculator. Make sure you put brackets around everything. So 4 squared, that's easy. Remember, our a is a negative number. So minus 2 all squared over c, which is negative 3. So that's 16 minus, what's negative 4 squared? That should be 4 over 3. So 12 over 3 equals to 4. Okay, so if you're going to do this on the CAS calculator, you need to put them in bracket. All right, let's move on to the next page here. I mean, I've already done some of them here. Okay, and so as you are doing these questions here, divide the numbers by the number, letter goes to the letter. So negative 18 divided by 6, that's negative 3. What's m squared divided by m? M squared. So m, if I don't know, just do this. M squared is m divided by m. So you cross off you got 1 m left. Ang over ang cancel themselves. So the answer is 3m. Again, this one here, you could do it on CAS, but make sure you times the things in. For this particular thing here, for this particular question here, remember, cross multiply. Well, if it's multiplication, it's nice and easy. All you need to do is multiply the top on top. So 2a plus 3 divided by 8a. All right, and so it should be 2a plus 6 over 8a. Now, you can simplify this further. 2, 6, and 8. 2, 6, and 8. All of them have a common factor of 2. So you get a plus 3 over 4. If you're not sure, CAS. Next one here. If you're doing this by hand, I'm going to do the other half by CAS. This one here, you can do a lot of. In fact, I'm doing the first one by hand. The rest of them I'm doing by CAS. It's way too convoluted just in the 2 lines you got there. But the general premises is this. Look, we need to have the common factor. The common denominator is 6. 5 doesn't change if you use the common denominator 6. 2 times 3 equal to 6. Therefore, you need to multiply by 3, and that's the final answer. The last two here, I'm gonna show you this on CAS. All right, so are we all looking? Yeah. Okay. So the first one here is this. I don't even believe the first one. You can literally just go 14 minus 7x over 7. Boom. You get the answer negative x over... Now, you need to be able to realize that if you expand the bracket, you should get 2 minus x. All right, so if you expand the bracket, most of your answers in the textbook will look like something like this. Next one here, you literally just type this equation in. So it's 2b. You don't even need to do 2 times b. Just go 2b divided by b minus 5 over 9, right? And then your answer is 6. You literally just write down 6. Now, the next question here, this is where it could be a bit of a headache if you don't know what you're doing. If you just write down 3 over 4 minus 2 over b, you see, you don't get anything. This is where things get problematic. Remember, you need to go to this function. Go menu, algebra, fraction, common denominator. So it should be menu, algebra is 3. What's before 3? So 3, 9, 3, 9, 4. And then once you got this, you then type this in. How are we going here? Oh, wait, hang on. There we go. Now you type this in. It should solve this for you. Let's have a look. There we go. Everything done for you. So 3b minus 8 over 4b. Well, I'm not sure if that actually worked for everything. Let's try another one, harder one. Just go rerun this. Remember to use rerun. So rerun. Just simply delete everything that's not needed. You go fraction. 2x plus 1 over 5 minus x plus 2 over 3. Now, does that give us an answer? Yes, it does. That's exactly the answer you get if you do this by yourself. And let's do one last one. Again, you don't need to retype it. Just simply rerun it. This one here is x plus 7, 3, and we simply type this over. I mean, look, I'm not only showing you what you need to do, but also the calculator strokes that you can be using. Right, fluency of this is very important. Wait, did I do this right? No, I made a mistake. It should be a plus here. It should be a plus here. Dong. So this is the finalized answer. I mean, like, they actually went ahead with the expansion, but the final answer, I believe, on the book is this. The calculator just simply expanded. It's the same thing. That equals. All right. Next one here. Can solve. I mean, look, if you want to show working, remember you've got too many stuff on the board. You've got too many things on the calculator. Control N. Delete everything. Look, if you want to do this by hand, take away negative 2. So you've got 5x equals to 15. Divide both sides by 5. X equals to 3. Something easy. This one here I'm going to do can solve. So they're pretty much the same thing. Let's menu, algebra, solve, 3 brackets, 2x minus 3. As you notice, I did not even need to use any things. So comma, x, boom, 9 over 2. X equals to 9 over 2. Done. Nice and easy.